What's up, y'all? We back.
Yeah, I kind of look cut up a little bit in there.
All right. So today, y'all, Marquez is about to show me how to grill. No, I don't know how to grill, but it's okay because I'm about to learn.
Maybe.
I am. I want to learn how to grill. Everybody be grilling and stuff, and I don't even know how to get it started, honestly.
We went easy route. We bought match light. You don't have to use lighter fluid or anything. Just light them. That's it. Just for you.
Oh, so if y'all watching, I'm Jas, and this is
Mark.
for our new people. And if y'all haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit that red subscribe button below and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time we post a new video. So we about to get started right here.
Yep.
Got the meat. Ooh, I smell it too. It smell good.
You smell it?
Yeah.
I don't
It smell
The only
good.
thing is, I don't want to sit it on here. We need a table or something to sit it on so I don't start cooking while it's in here.
I say that.
I guess. Hey, and wash y'all nasty hand. I wash my hands before I touch this. Like, that's a pet peeve.
Yeah.
People be cooking and then like we don't fix the food, fix the charcoal and the grill, and just go in and just grab the meat. Like, that's nasty. I don't care if y'all listen to cook it and heat kills germs or whatever. Y'all just mixed all them germs in the meat.
Yeah, they did that. So rule number 22, wash your nasty hands.
Wash your nasty ass hand.
Oh, all right, that part. We got like how much? It was like a 5-pound pack of meat.
Yeah, we just got the big long tube. You pretty much find it everywhere. I think it was like $14, $15.
Why did y'all get that much, Jasmine? Cause
For one, we got brothers and sisters.
yeah.
2, I can't stand eating and then somebody else wants some, and like I'll be like, it ain't enough.
Yeah.
So I always overbuy, and then Jasmine get mad at me because I overbought.
But like something like this, like we could eat again today. Shit might be breakfast and lunch tomorrow too.
See, that's why I don't want
Oh, you burnt your hand?
Yes.
That thing hot already?
Yes. It don't take long. This charcoal. And like when y'all, if you grilling, like don't add meat while the flame is like still, like you can see the flame.
Why they burn it?
Yeah.
I see people cooking like ribs like that. That's okay.
It depends on who it is and like how they trying to cook it. Yeah, I can't do this.
Put it right there, baby.
Now people cook steaks like that because steaks and stuff they cook like medium well, and like some people like want to cook fast, and cause there's different reasons. Like if you cooking something like this, like nah, I wouldn't. It's gonna burn before the inside gets done.
Oh yeah, he's seasoning it with seasoned salt, black pepper, and those onion powder.
Paprika.
Yep. And those onion powder packs.
Yep. It's actually onion soup mix.
Onion soup mix. Oh, that smells so good. How many you think they're gonna make? And we still didn't.
About 10.
About 10. And we still got like probably about 2 or 3 pounds left.
Yeah, I didn't even use the whole pack. I just made, well, it probably gonna be about 12. I just made 6 and I still got a lot left. And I don't care about them being circle. Like, they're gonna be the same way. Either way it go.
They still gonna taste the same way. See, I ain't gonna lie. My thing is like, when I cook, I like everything like that. If I was doing that, I'd probably been taking more time because I want a perfect circle. I want them to look good. And my thing, he's like, I know how to cook. Don't get it wrong. But
Yeah,
I don't.
she know how to cook. She just don't.
Yeah, because I hate like doing the step right there. Ooh, I have to wash my hand every time I touch it because I got OCD. Like, I don't like getting my hands dirty.
And like, don't think I don't, but I want to, but it's just like, I mean, you gotta get there. You gotta go.
Yeah, like he like getting his hand dirty. Me, man, I be ready to shower about 2-3 times. That was the hardest thing for me when we was on the truck. Wanting to shower every 5-6 hours.
And did it somehow.
Yeah, I did sometimes. Don't play with her, cause I'm gonna bathe. You can put that last one at the end, can't you?
Mm-mm.
No.
I need a spatula. Plus it's flaming up, so I want to put the lid over it so it stops.
How long you probably let it sit on one side?
It just depends.
How they look on the
it
back
depends.
side?
I have a spatula.
That was fast.
It don't take long.
It was only about 2 or 3 minutes with the thing closed.
Yep.
He only ran in the house to get the spatula. Okay, I could cook hamburgers.
Yeah.
See, I think the thing would have messed me up if I had to actually have lighter fluid and light the charcoal and stuff, but I'm gonna buy that kind of charcoal.
I know how to do it that way, but match like it's simple. All you gotta do is light it. And like if y'all be scared or y'all think y'all gonna do it wrong, like all you gotta do is put like all the charcoal on one side and create a cold side. That way, if it start burning over here, just put them over here and they ain't gonna burn. And don't be talking about our grill. They gave us too many parts for it when I bought it.
Actually, we bought this grill on the truck, didn't we?
No, we bought it right.
Well, when we had an apartment, yeah, we had. Because at the apartment, we weren't supposed to have grills anyway, so we used to be out there doing everything at that apartment. But I miss our apartment.
Yeah.
But that's coming soon.
It probably ain't gonna be an apartment though, because I don't know.
Yeah, not. Yeah. But just know it's coming soon.
Yeah. I want to be able to work on cars and do all types of other stuff. And a lot of people probably be like, what the world is he doing now? What are they doing for money?
Yeah, mind y'all business. But they don't know that we're home.
They don't do that.
No, they
don't. They don't know how long we've been home.
No, or why we're home. Ooh. Coming soon, you guys.
Yep.
Coming soon.
And I'll probably release a video on my channel about what I'm doing and like why I haven't uploaded, why I haven't.
Yeah, because he has you got a lot of videos and he just haven't took the time out to edit and
I
upload.
haven't had time. Like by the time I get done doing what I'm doing every day, like I don't want to edit. I want to take a shower and lay down. Jasmine not really be mad because I've been gone all day.
Yeah, all day. But I learned not to complain, you know.
See how it start running clear?
Yeah.
You're done.
Okay. You didn't bring that up. I have to put it in.
No, I did not. So what I do, I just move all of them over here.
Just I'm ready to eat. I got chicken on the bacon. I got bacon in the oven too, y'all.
Put a little bit more on the inside. And see, your hand ain't clicking like that.
I'm moving back. Oh, my eyes burning. Alright, so I'm about to run here and check on the bacon. Still cooking. It's still doing what it's doing. I gotta bring him something to put that there. About to eat. The bacon's still cooking.
And I put the top on it, like when y'all see it start flaming up, just put the top on it. It kills all the oxygen in it, and flame will go out.
Yeah.
And it's a cheap grill, so on a better grill, you'll have a little vent right here, a vent up on the hand, a vent in the back, and like it just controls the airflow.
Smoke trying to take me out, please.
I need you to hold it.
I'm just trying to put my phone up.
Hey, and y'all, please don't overcook these, because I'm telling you, y'all think y'all done had some dry meat before.
Yeah, I was about to say dry and tough.
These they'll be like hockey pucks if you overcook them. For real. Then like if y'all want color on them and like they done, just leave the top off and let it flame up.
No, I'm crying from the onions and the smoke.
It's just the smoke. You can't even smell the onions.
It look good too, y'all.
See how that one still got red coming out?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not done, even though that one looked done. So like that one cooking too fast, so I moved that one over.
It's not done. What you say?
I'm gonna just make one more big one. You through with it?
One big one.
Yeah. This one be mine.
This one. Getting kind of heavy there. Oh, that thing big.
I think that.
We got big buns anyway, so it'll work out.
We're done.
We done. Got us some fries. About to put some bacon on these bad boys.
This ain't cheap bacon either. It's thick cut. I understand people when they have that thin bacon.
Okay.
You like that thin bacon. You buy it sometimes.
Bacon is bacon to me.
Nah, they gotta be thick cut.
Bacon is bacon.
Y'all know what I'm talking about, that thin bacon? When you lay it on your tongue, you just dissolve.
Jesus. Bacon is bacon.
Mm.
Y'all, we're clear about lettuce. That turned out not to be lettuce.
About cabbage.
It's a cabbage.
Which ain't funny, because I only eat lettuce, cheese, and bacon on my sandwich. I don't eat anything else. Meanwhile, she over here just fix hers all up.
So I need some ketchup. Put the ketchup on the bottom.
Why you put your bacon offset like that? Why it ain't in the center?
It is, but
No,
it's
it ain't.
2
On the bottom.
Yeah, it went right here.
Yeah, but on the bottom, it's in the. I don't know. That irritates me.
It's all right. Forget what it's about to go.
Anyway.
Yeah, y'all. Today was all day. My Chris showed me how to grill. So next time I'm gonna be doing all the work. We gonna see about that. We about to handle this. So yeah, y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and to share our videos. Like, we're really trying to get our subscribers up there, so it'll be really nice for the support. And thanks for everybody who has already subscribed and who's watching our videos. I'm really thinking about doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers. So we're 5 away from 100 subscribers. So when we get to 200 subscribers, we're gonna do a giveaway, and it's gonna be good.
Yeah,
like,
it might be a cash giveaway.
So you never know, you know. When you bless others. So that's what we do. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Oh, let me show them our burgers real quick before we.
It's a little too late for mine.
Before we go.
Anywho, it's mine. I don't eat that all night, y'all. Just got the bacon. Jasmine.
Ooh, cheese and the bacon.
I don't eat all that, y'all, so I can't relate.
But thank you all for watching again. Hit that red subscribe button and that bell next to it. And we'll see y'all next time.